Today on Mom to Mom, we are putting a twist on those traditional s'mores. We love s'mores year-round in our house, and I always love to create different types. And today we're gonna make fudge stripe cookie s'mores because to me it has like the perfect ratio when it comes to cookie, chocolate, and marshmallows. So what you're gonna need are your fudge stripe cookies and then some marshmallows. And they have these fun ones in stores right now that kind of look like the 4th of July with some pink and some gray. What you're gonna wanna do, you can make these in the microwave, you can make them in the oven, or you can do it by campfire. So if you want to make them in the oven, which is what we're going to do, you put it to 300 degrees and you'll put them in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just keep an eye on it and make sure that it's not too melted. But if you want to do it in the microwave, put it in for 30 seconds, pull it out. If you're going to do it by campfire, you can just roast the marshmallow like normal and then put it in between the two cookies. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our fudge stripe cookies and put the chocolate facing up. Then you're going to take your marshmallows, put those on top, then put the other cookie on top and pop it in the oven. And then next thing you know, you've got this delicious s'mores treat right in the comfort of your own home. We always love to do these, plus your kids can kind of do it by themselves as well, especially if you're not home, but I would prefer that they do it in the microwave. If you have any other wonderful ideas, you can share it with us up on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.